Greetings, Blue Bear family. I hope this message finds you well and you had a safe summer. I also hope you're as excited as I am as I anticipate your return to campus. Or if this is your first year, I'm excited about you joining Blue Bear Nation for the first time. As we continue to build upon our historic past, progressive presence, and our visionary future, I want to take a moment to share some important information and updates as we anxiously await your arrival. In 2022, our enrollment declined to 713 students, and many question our ability to survive. In fact, back then, almost every student had a private room on this campus. Today, 4 years later, in 2026, we are witnessing an unprecedented season of growth, an enrollment explosion. It's clear we are the miracle on Monroe Street, and this is the Livingstone College resurgence. From 2022 to 2025, in just 3 years, we experienced remarkable growth with a 46% increase in overall student enrollment. However, as of August 1st of this year, we are proud to announce that we have received 575 freshman enrollment deposits, and that population is growing daily. This year, we are on track to welcome the largest incoming class in our history. Our new student population has surged from 221 students to nearly 600 students, marking an extraordinary 171% increase related to first-time students attending Livingstone College. Our overall student population has grown as well, rising from 713 students in 2022 to 1,275 today, a staggering 70% increase. As many of you know, most colleges and universities guarantee housing for freshmen and, when possible, sophomores. With our limited housing options in and around Salisbury, we recognize that accommodating our upperclassmen may present a challenge. Currently, we have a total of 925 beds available related to our current housing inventory. However, under the leadership of the new Vice President of Student Affairs and Engagement, Vice President Lowry and her team are being very deliberate and detailed, doing their very best to accommodate our students as we navigate this challenge together. This is a good problem to have until you have it. To address our housing needs, we have secured what would be considered additional premium housing options. We have leased fully furnished apartments and townhouses within a 15-mile radius of the campus. We have launched Blue Bear Estates, single-family homes that have been totally refurbished and upgraded and will serve as additional housing options for our students. They are a must-see. I want to thank our alumnus and board member, Dr. Kinston J. Griffin, who made this partnership possible. Tucker Hall has finally received a much-needed, long-overdue makeover. New floors, lighting fixtures, new ventilation system, critical plumbing fixtures, a new roof, and other structural repairs. And we also upgraded all of the common areas. So far, the reviews have been great. And finally, we've deployed a fully remodeled Harris Hall to our inventory, another sight to see. Stay tuned for Dancy and Alumni Square. In addition to the aforementioned actions, we have secured additional housing at 2 area hotels, the Hampton Inn and the Home 2 Suites. These hotels represent the best that Salisbury has to offer related to lodging and will be provided to our students and their families at no additional costs. As President and CEO of Livingstone College, I assure you that my administration is committed to being both responsive and responsible to the needs of our students and their families. We understand that these are growing pains and they come with challenges, and we are actively seeking solutions to enhance our housing capacity and overall student experience. We are excited and elated that so many students and their families have selected Livingstone College for their academic preparation. The incoming population represents a pool of students who could have landed anywhere in the higher education landscape. However, Without coercion, they declined offers from a number of prestigious institutions, both HBCUs and PWIs, to come to Livingstone College. Some might ask, why not stop recruiting? You don't have the infrastructure. The answer is simple. Growth is good. It beats the alternative, which is stagnation, and stagnation will lead to our ultimate death and demise. Some might suggest that this looks like greed. That is the wrong G word. The word is not greed, but gratitude. We want to express our gratitude to every applicant who has chosen Livingstone College. These students represent some of the strongest academic profiles in our history. They chose an institution founded by the descendants of freed slaves who gave birth to an audacious idea. And that idea is being played out in front of your very eyes. That this institution could somehow, and that idea is being played out before you almost 150 years later, that an institution could survive the test of time to transform lives, uplift people, unlock potential, unleash power, and have an individual's purpose unveiled. Ultimately, they chose an institution where they will not be tolerated, but celebrated. We're grateful that not only did incoming students choose us, but our returning students have chosen to stay, not because we are perfect, but because we are grounded in purpose. Therefore, we are committed to accommodating every student and their family who has chosen to be a member of Blue Bear Nation. Resilient, relevant, and always ready. I'm Dr. Anthony J. Davis, the 13th president, and I must ask you that question, who you with, LC?